thing's kind of stupid. There's no way to get down there. I don't have to go around. I don't know how to do it. Okay, so this would normally be the way we would go in, but it's closed. So I gotta walk all the way down, then go all the way around to get into the park. Okay. Yeah, this is fancy. We're in trendy area, Brooklyn here. So let's check out Brooklyn Bridge Park. I've been wanting to check this place out for a little while now. And you'll find out why once we are in the park. So alright, so this is like a footpath area. Bikes are not allowed, so let's go in here and get some shade because this is kind of hot. You know, being that I'm in New York, I'd like to check out these places, you know. It's a whole little nature preserve in here. Maybe we'll see some more butterflies. A little warm in here, though. A little warm in here. It's pretty, though. It's nice. Okay, so here's a nice little field area here. There's a particular spot I'm looking for. And of course, I don't remember exactly where it was. So we're going to walk through this field and see if I can find that spot for you. It's by the water. I don't know that much. Hotter here than it is down in downtown for some reason, which is odd. Downtown's right where we were in the other video. Sucks is you can't even go right up to it. They got this thing here. I don't know why. You know what, we're gonna go back up those stairs. We have some goldenrod over here. Goldenrod over here. I'll stay on this. Got goldenrod, those flowers again, those aster flowers. Got a nice lawn here. Yep, I'm heading in the wrong direction. So I'm heading in the wrong direction. I'm supposed to go south, not north. So, you know, getting lost comes with the territory. Especially when you're in a place you've never been to before. Comes with the territory. Gotta head south. Which is into the wind, so it's better. Yep, everything's nice here, huh? Yeah, it's another popular area taken care of. This is the direction we need to be heading in. Alright. You may notice something here that looks a little out of place. Can you tell me what that possibly is? Can you tell me? What kind of tree is this? This is a pitch pine. What is it doing in Brooklyn? This is the spot. You're going to see some piney woods. They planted some pine barrens in here. That's what we're heading for, folks. Come on, you knew I wasn't going to go all this way for nothing. That's a beauty right there. A little scraggly one, though. So this is the area where we're going to see some pitch pines and some other native things here. Because that's what we're interested in. Native plants. We have some off to our left here. That sun is so strong. Ooh. Guess I should have taken the shady path, but then I wouldn't have seen that pine. So it's hot over here. There you go. When you see the pitch pines, you're going to start sweating. Pine barrens are hot. Well, Guess what, folks? We have kind of... Oh, here you go. It's a pitch pine right here. Oh, it's beautiful. That's a beauty right there. More pitch pines here. Yep, there is a pine barrens that they planted in here that I wanted to show you. Oh, this is amazing. We got a lot of pitch pines here. They planted these. They're trying this. Oh man, it's great to see pitch pines here. It's awesome. Oh, look at this. That's a beauty too. These pines are doing great. Oh yes. Oh, it's so hot here. It's so hot. Hot, way hotter here than downtown. The pitch pines always seem to bring the heat with them, don't they? Oh, it's a beauty. Another beauty. These were all planted and they're really doing great. It goes to show you can reintroduce pitch pines. Oh my god, it's so hot. Oh my god. How am I supposed to live in Jersey when I can't even deal with this? There's another area over there too. It looks like another natural forest habitat. There may be some more pitch pines in there. Guys, I can't go in there. I'm really overheating. Seriously overheating. It's not good. Alright, so we're going to be walking south. But there's some more shapes over here that we got to check out. Oh, there's still some shape. There are these little umbrellas. It's hot over here. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Oh, that's what happens when you're in the pine barrens. It gets hot. Oh man, it's a beauty here. That's a beauty too. So this is an amazing, yeah, you got that little area over there. We're gonna come back here and do a much more thorough video. For sure, guys, for sure. It's just too hot, I can't. I'm having trouble. I'd like to go on that pier there and check that out, but it's just too hot. I can tell you one thing, I see more pines ahead. We've got a whole bunch of pitch pines here. Man, these come in some pretty crazy shapes too. Look, these are Sherman Eddies. They're almost dwarfed. Oh, man, we're in the pine barrens here. It's amazing. Pine barrens in Brooklyn. And they even bring the heat too. Yeah, beauties. It's crazy. This is Brooklyn. We're in New York City. And we're in the pine barrens here. Pine barrens have been recreated. These look like dwarf pines. Look at all the cones they have on them. Yes, we are in New York City. Look at the pines sweating. There's a little beach over there. Actually have a little beach. They've recreated a lot of the natural environments that, you know, we used to have around. And they've been recreated. I smell the pine too. Oh, beach pines all over the place. They've planted a pine barrens here. There's a pine barrens here now. This is amazing. Why can't we do this on Long Island? Well, technically this is part of Long Island, Brooklyn. Gee, this one's a real beauty. Oh, man. We're in the city. And we're in the pine barrens at the same time. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking this path here. And I'll have to go to the end, and as soon as I can cross over and head back east again, we'll wrap this video up. Amazing. Pine Barrens in Brooklyn. And there could be more Pine Barrens over there. I'll have to come back here on a much cooler day. Oh, I see where I'll be exiting, so I want to thank you for watching. And, yep, even here, even in New York City, it's still all about those great shapes.